Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamu greeting. This is my second flight of the electric RC Paramotor. Nice. So it takes off very well. It's just that we need more weight on the nose so it will balance itself, pull the glider up and take off. Now will be a nice zoom shot for Mr. Arish, inshallah. There in the mountains. Wind has changed the directions. Look at that, mashallah. Beautiful. Actually, if we have more wind, we can hover it at one place. Look at that. Now all I need is myself 3D printed sitting in there. That would be very nice, right? Or I can 3D print Arish. He can sit on the front as well. We can have a tandem there, father-son tandem. That would be very, very nice, man. And I have to make myself like with servos in my arms, so my arms can move, one servo in my neck, so my neck can move left and right. That would be very, very nice. Look how beautiful low-level flight, man. MashaAllah. Touch and go. It's like a ground takeoff. Man, torque roll is something we always struggle in real life as well. So when I fly the real Paramotor electric one, I also have a torque roll. It automatically want to go at one side and I have to counter it with the other side brakes. And it's the same thing here. So we have to do the trimming, and that's easy on the radio, of course. Yeah! Nice! Super responsive, man. Alright, let's land. Yes! Yes! That's beautiful landing, right? And before I end this video, I would like to ask, let me know, what would you like to watch next? Do you want me to print myself and put here as a pilot? Or you want to see a different design of electric Paramotor, RC Paramotor, or a tandem one where we have two pilots? Should the pilots move their heads and have a nice facial expression? Let me know in comments, what would you want to watch next regarding these RC Paramotors. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.